Alright viewers, today's video is going to be extremely interesting and powerful. First of all, if you haven't watched our latest biology-related videos, make sure you check them out. This niche is currently trending worldwide, and millions, even billions, of views are being generated in this category. Now, without wasting any time, let's head over to YouTube. Search for the channel Dr. Data, and as you can see, 20 billion views, 18 billion views, 17 billion views, 6 million views, 5 million views. Every niche video is performing incredibly well. Why? Because each one visually explains how our body reacts to overeating, overthinking, lack of movement, lying down all day, not drinking enough water. These videos clearly show the internal impact on our organs and overall health, and that's exactly why this niche is exploding right now. So today, we're going to create our own powerful niche video in this category, so people can understand how this content is made and how it goes viral. Now viewers, without wasting any more time, take a screenshot of the most important data that you find valuable. Save it, because we're about to use it to build something amazing. Let's begin. Alright viewers, let's get started. First of all, open the website called Grok AI. Yes, this tool is becoming extremely popular right now. Why? Because on this platform, we can generate prompts, create images, and even produce videos, all in one place. Now viewers, the first thing I'm going to do is upload the screenshot that I saved earlier. After uploading the screenshot, I will type this command. I want to create the same type of video. Please give me 10 prompts similar to this video and make sure the character remains the same in all prompts. Okay guys, once I write this, I simply press Enter. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate 10 detailed prompts for me. And the best part? Each prompt will clearly explain what the character is showing. For example, how your body feels when you don't drink enough water. What happens when you eat too much junk food? How high blood pressure affects you. What happens if you don't move your body or exercise for an entire year? Every scene will describe the internal body effects in a visual and cinematic way. Now guys, once the prompts are generated, we carefully read each one. Make sure everything looks correct. Check the character consistency. Confirm that the concept matches your niche. If everything looks good, copy all the prompts. Then open Microsoft Word and create a clean document. Paste all the prompts inside and save them properly, because organization is very important when creating viral content. This step ensures that your workflow stays professional and structured, and that's how you generate powerful, trending niche prompts using AI. Let's move to the next step. Alright viewers, now let's move to the next step. In this step, we're going to generate the images. First, click on the image option. Once you click on the image section, the very first thing you need to do is copy your first prompt. After copying the first prompt, select the correct aspect ratio. Since we are creating a short reel, make sure you choose the vertical ratio, the short form format. Now paste your first prompt into the prompt box and upload it. Once you submit it, simply wait for a few seconds. Within about 5 to 10 seconds, you will see approximately 10 to 12 images generated automatically. And as you can see, each image has a different structure, different movements, and slightly different variations, but the same core character and concept. Every image looks amazing. Now viewers, let's move to the second prompt. Copy the second prompt and paste it into the image generator again. Upload it. And once again, within 5 to 10 seconds, another set of 10 to 12 high-quality images will be generated. You can clearly see the consistency in the character and the scene style. Now we repeat the same process for the third prompt. Paste it, generate it, and after a short wait, the third scene images are ready. Perfect. Now we continue this process for the fourth, fifth, sixth, and remaining prompts. One by one, keep uploading them. As the images generate, you'll notice something very powerful. Each scene visually explains different body conditions. What happens when we don't move for 1 year? What happens after years of inactivity? What happens when we don't drink water? What happens when we consume too much junk food? All of these internal body effects are visually represented in this trending niche style. And that's exactly why this content performs so well. Now viewers, in the final review, carefully observe all the generated images. You'll notice they are very clean, very smooth, and very high quality. Once you've reviewed everything, download your favorite scenes. Save the best ones so you can use them in the next step. And now, we move to the most important step, the video creation process. Let's continue. Alright viewers, now we are moving to the next and most important step, generating the video. Yes, we will create the videos using the same website where we generated the images. Since we already created our images, now it's time to turn them into animated videos. To generate the video, simply click on the option available on top of the image, the Make Video option. Once you click it, the system will start processing. Usually, within about 1 minute, your video will be ready. And as you can see, our first video is ready. This one was about holding it in. After waiting just a few seconds, the platform generated a fully animated video with voiceover automatically added. The movements look smooth, professional, and very engaging. Now viewers, let's move to the second image, Weak, No Hygiene. Click on the image, then select Make Video. Again, wait for about 1 minute. And just like that, the second video is ready. You can clearly see the amazing movements and the high-quality animation generated automatically. Now let's move to the third image, 1 year no movement. Click on Make Video again and wait briefly. Within moments, the image transforms into a dynamic video. Look at the motion details, the character consistency, and the internal body effects. Everything looks incredible. Now we move to the fourth image, related to junk food. For example, 30 days of fast food. What happens to your body? Or if you suddenly stop eating fast food, what changes occur? Click Make Video, wait a little, and the platform generates another powerful animated scene. The movements, expressions, and visual storytelling are truly impressive. Finally, we move to our last image, 7 days no water. What happens if you don't drink water for 7 days? Click Make Video, wait a short time, and the final video is generated. And you can see how beautifully the effects and animations are displayed. Now, viewers, in the final overview, you can clearly see that all the images and videos were created directly on this platform, completely free. Yes, this is a 100% free tool. We generated prompts for free, we created images for free, and we converted them into videos, completely free. This is how you create trending niche content step by step using AI tools. If you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, Smart Tech Studio. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.